For PXE OS installation, we required one server. We will do some configuration. We required some ISO files. Then we will connect our server to a switch. After that, you will connect all of your endpoints to that switch. And then you will be able to install any OS in the network. In this video series, I will show you how can you deploy any OS in the network. In this video, we will learn how you can boot Symantec Ghost over the network. Here I have mentioned 10 steps. We will follow these steps one by one and complete this installation. The first step is we will download Server software, Symantec Ghost ISO file and serverasset.inf file. So if you will see here, I have downloaded all the files already. Step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, we will set a static IP on our main system. We will use this command to set the IP address. Step number 2 is completed. Step number 3, we will disable the system firewall. If you are using any antivirus, you need to disable the firewall from there as well. So I am disabling the firewall of system. Step number 3 is completed. Step number 4, we will create a folder in D drive and set the name root. Step number 4 is completed. Step number 5, we will open server software and configure it. This is our server software. We will start server64.exe. Click on top left icon, go to settings, click on TFTP, start TFTP server, bind this IP and click on browse and select the root directory. Go to DHCP tab, start DHCP server, click on BINL, bind this server IP and assign the pool address. Here we will assign subnet mask, domain name, domain server and domain name server we will use 10.1.1.1. Click on OK and close this application. We will start this application again. Here you can see it created couple of files and folder in the root directory. We will close this application. We have completed step number 5. Step number 6, we will share this directory WIA_PXE. We will share this directory. Go to D drive, root, right click on this, go to sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder and change the name here. Click on OK and close. We have completed this step. Step number 7, we will create a folder under WIA_PXE. Here we will create a folder and set the name Ghost. We have completed this step. Step number 8, we will copy Symantec Ghost ISO file and serverasset.inf file to that Ghost directory. So here we have those two files. We will copy these files and paste into Ghost directory. Here we will paste. Step number 8 is completed. Step number 9, we will run the server software. and try to boot with Symantec Ghost. I am using VMware for trying to boot from network. So I am creating a machine and we will try to boot from network. So here you can see it is booting from network and we will get this window, Symantec Ghost. We will press enter here and you can see we are successfully able to boot from Symantec Ghost image. From here you can create your system image, your partition image, your disk image. You can restore that image to your system. If you will follow these steps one by one, you will be able to boot Symantec Ghost over the network. If you like this video, so please subscribe the channel. I will create more videos like this, or you can suggest any OS installation over the network. I will try to create video on that particular OS. Thank you so much.